You sure Jimmy ain't dead?
Nah, just a message. Boys busted his ribs, took the product, and left him breathing bail.
Should have stuffed him in a body bag. That's how you make a message stick.
They don't want to stare the cops too soon. We move loud, we bleed first.
We already bleeding, G. That finna junkie, he's cutting through into our corners. Got our kids on the block running for him. Disrespect.
I'll handle him.
No, y'all bury one of his goons. I want him off the streets before Friday. No headlines, no heat, just gone.
Got a crew raid. Quick in, clean out. I'll find where he's sleeping.
Nah, I want you to do it. You brought Jamie pain, now bring me peace. Make it personal.
Understood.
This ain't about territory anymore. It's about respect. If they see Junkie get away with this, we lose the city. You feel me?
I feel you.
Good. End him. Then bring me his shoe.
His shoes?
Yeah, gotta let the street know whose turf they stepping on.